Now I'm almost there because I only have to find the energy. So the energy is going to be P times T. So the energy in 24 hours, so which was what the problem was asking us. So W is actually going to be the power, so 4.37 times the time, so 24 hour. So, well, 4.37 times 24 is 104.88. So we have 104.88. 104.88 watts per hour. So to find how the system is actually going to perform, instead I have to find the power generated. So the power generated is actually going to be VTH times I. So VTH times, just like before, VTH over RTH plus R, but this time not squared. So VTH is actually 8 times VTH, which is 8, over RTH, which is 3.66, plus 3.66. So what do I get? Well, I get 8 times 8, which is 64, actually. So I get 64 over 3.66 plus 3.66. I've done this. It's 7.32. So I get 64 over 7.32. So what do I get? I get 64 over 7.32, which is 8.74 watts. So now, whoops, there we go. So now I can finally find how the system is going to perform. And I'm gonna call this eta, like so, Greek letter. So the performance is actually P over PG. So the performance, called eta, is P, the power, over PG, which is the power generated. So 4.37, which was the power, over the power generated, which is 8.74. 8.74. So if we plug them back into the calculator, I get, well, I get 0.5. And this is my performance. So yeah, 0.5. That's pretty much it. Goodbye.